Can your Instant Pot really go low enough to make probiotic yogurt like that long ferment L.Reuteri, I don't know how to say it. The real challenge most people are talking about is just not knowing whether it's possible to get the correct settings on an Instant Pot. That's the big question, and today we're going to find out. And over the past 9 years I've used 7 different Instant Pot models, so I've pulled out 3 to see just how low and slow they can go, and I'm going to show you how to check other models too, so you'll know before you buy. Plus, there's a sneaky feature in one of these machines that can help you get your setting set up with a one-touch button. I'll show you that later. Now, I haven't made this L.Reuteri that yogurt in my Instant Pot, but I've made standard yogurt in all 3 of these models, and they're always rich and creamy and beautiful, and importantly they always pass the spoon test. So today we've got this one is the Instant Pot Pro Crisp. So this is the one that also has an air fryer lid. And this one, like the Duo Crisp, doesn't have a specific yogurt setting, but what it does have is the sous vide setting. So that's the one I'm going to show you. This one is the one I'm testing at the moment. This is a kind of entry to medium ranged Instant Pot. It's the Instant Pot Duo Whisper Quiet model. And this model has both a yogurt button and the sous vide settings. All good. And then finally we've got my favourite model, which is the Instant Pot Pro 5.7 litre 6 quart, and again this one has a yogurt setting and it also has sous vide. And if you already know which one of these models has a special button that we can program up, drop a line in the comment and tell me which one you think it is. Pro tip: if you're eyeing up one of the other Instant Pot models, head over to the official Instant Pot site for your region, and on those websites they have all of the manuals for the different models which you can freely download before you buy, and on there you will be able to see the range of time settings and the range of temperature settings for the model that you're interested in. And if this is our first time meeting, I'm Susan from Cooking and Calm, and here we're all about trying to save time, eat good food, keep things a bit calm in the kitchen, or calmish at least, and the Instant Pot is a really big part of that for me. It does so much, including making amazing yogurt. Okay, so let's get the camera tuned into the Instant Pots now and I'll show you the settings. So here's the Instant Pot Pro Crisp, and for this one, when making yogurt, we'll use the sous vide setting. And for the probiotic yogurt I'm being asked about, the settings that people are looking for is 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is between 37 and 38 degrees centigrade for 36 hours. So let me show you that on the Instant Pot Pro Crisp. Will it go all the way to 36 hours? 35, yeah, 36. Now let's move on to the second one. Okay, so this one is the Instant Pot Duo Whisper Quiet, so one of the newer models, and on here we've got either a yogurt button or we've got sous vide. So the yogurt can do a scald first, that's a separate function, but let's see what it does on yogurt for the ferment part, which is what everyone's interested in. So I'll click yogurt, 36, all good. Enter that, and we want it on custom. So once again we can do 37 or 38, your choice. That's about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can see it actually goes down much further still. High as 85, low as 25. Back up to 37, off you go. And you could also set up sous vide exactly the same. You can go custom, set up the time. (36), temperature down to 37 or 38, your choice, and off you go. And a little handy hint, most Instant Pot models will remember your last setting. So if we only use sous vide for this long ferment, we can click sous vide now and you can see it's remembered our 36 hours. and it's remembered R37. So let's move on to the next one, which is the Instant Pot Pro. So on this model we've got yogurt and we've got sous vide. So let's try on yogurt first. Put it on custom. So we can do 37 or 38. Try 38 this time. 36. Start. There we go. So this is the model that has that special button that will be a memory for you, take a little bit of stress out of things. So we set up our Instant Pot and then we have these favourite buttons. I can hold down that and it's now set on number 5. So if I go, this is my porridge one, 4 minutes, and here's my long ferment yogurt, 36 and 37, all ready to go. And this one, like the Whisper Quiet, we could also use the sous vide if you prefer to do it that way. Again, sous vide, custom. Oh, we've already got it on 37 because I was trying this earlier. And you can see that's gone up to 36 hours. So the answer is yes. All 3 of these models can be set so you can do a low and slow ferment. But I will say that the Instant Pot sous vide isn't exactly as precise as one of those kind of dedicated steam ones. I've often found that it might be 1 or 2 degrees out of your target temperature. If you want to be super precise, you can always get an instant read thermometer, dip it in the water and kind of tweak it from there. But honestly, a degree or 2 really shouldn't make any difference in terms of making a yogurt like this. We're just keeping those little bacteria buddies in a nice calm and cozy environment so they can get on with the magic stuff. And now you know it can be done. You might be wondering how I actually use the sous vide method when I'm making my yogurt. I do mine right in the jar, which saves a whole load of messy clear up, straight in the fridge and ready to go. So if you'd like to see how I do that, take a look at this video here and I'll see you over there.